Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. And in this video, I will be showing you how to make a 1-minute Funfetti mug cake. And here are the ingredients, and they will be listed in the description area below. Okay, so here I have my unsalted melted butter. And what I'm going to do is add in my sugar. And then I'm going to add my egg. I'm going to mix this around. My milk. Vanilla extract. Now I'm going to gently add in my flour. A pinch of salt. And I'm going to fold this gently. And the last thing, I'm going to add in some sprinkles. And we want to gently fold them in. Now here is where we're going to add this into 2 mugs. Now these mugs are huge. These are not your traditional coffee mugs. These are much larger. You can use these, or you can also use something like this. Okay, something that will be okay in the microwave. Okay, so what I'm going to do, instead of using the mugs, I'm going to actually put and divide this into these 2. Okay, so here I'm going to go to my microwave. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to do a cook time of 50 seconds. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at that. It's hot. We want it to cool off before you grab it. If it was with a regular mug, I would have been able to grab it by the handle, but this isn't a regular mug. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to allow these cool, or I could just dig right in. Fluffy. Fluffy. Okay. Oh, Spongy, soft, and yummy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe.